Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's August 22nd, Thursday morning, and grain market's backing off here a little bit after yesterday's sharp rally. We've got some profit taking. We've got more rain than expected across Iowa and southern Minnesota, and also technically getting a little bit of pressure here. This market is a bit oversold. So seeing some retracement here. We've also got the crop tour that put out numbers on Illinois yesterday at 171 bushel an acre average. That's versus their average of three-year average of 148, and the USDA is looking at 165 bushel an acre average for the state of Illinois. Also, some comments coming out of western Iowa where the tour has gone through. They're seeing average to above average production through that area. So a little more positive news for production than what was earlier thought. That's giving us a little bit of profit taking here after some very sharp rallies. Other news, the ethanol production came out yesterday. That was below the previous week and about 3% below a year ago, which puts the total for the year right in line with what the USDA is forecasting for ethanol production to be, about 7.2% below a year ago. We're sitting right now at 7.3%. Weekly exports will be out here in a few minutes. We're expecting some very large numbers on soybean exports sales, so we'll be watching that very closely. There's also talk that China bought this week anywhere from 20 to 25 cargoes of soybeans out of South America. We're waiting to get some confirmation on that. We had comments from a German farmer association yesterday and last night on the wheat production there. They're expecting about 23.9 million tons of wheat to be produced in Germany compared to only 22.3 last year. China did hold their weekly auction of soybeans in reserve. They sold about 187,000 tons, which is about 37% of what they had offered, and showing that demand is still pretty aggressive in China. We'll be watching news wires again today. The crop tour continues. However, they'll be moving through some areas that got some rain here overnight. So it'll be interesting to see what Twitter and other social media will keep us informed about here today. In the livestock trade, we've got a cattle on feed report tomorrow. Trade's looking for 96% on feed, about placed at 98%, and then marketed at 104. If those numbers come out, they certainly should be supportive longer term. We've got the feedlot offerings this week are smaller than last week's show list, so waiting for some cash cattle to be traded here again this week, but cutout values have stabilized. We got choice down 14, select down 38 on yesterday's close. Pork cutout values, however, were much weaker. They were down $2.26 yesterday. Cash hogs continued to weaken. Packers were looking for some hogs here late Tuesday, early Wednesday to fill the needs for this week. It appears like they may have found those supplies that they need. Next week will be some fill-in buying, and then right ahead of that we have the Labor Day holiday, so there'll be some shortened slaughter week ahead of us, and some as pork supplies and hog supplies continue to grow. So look for some volatility. We've got the hog market has taken out some major trend or moving average support yesterday. We're seeing some follow through there today because of that, and we'll be monitoring that very closely as well. Also reminding everybody, the Allendale has their 24th annual yield survey going on. We're getting some results from participants and producers out there. The more we get, the better the results. So appreciate any help you can get. You can sign up right online, fill out the survey, or just give us a call at 800-262-7538, and we'll take down the data, and we'll be releasing that data on September 4th. So looking forward to those results and looking forward to working with you. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.